Hey guys, so it's that time of year, guys, where we guys show you guys what we got for our kids and what we got too. So the very first things first, we are gonna do Silas, you guys. I'm not trying to brag about this, but it's kind of cool. So basically, we got a stuffed animal and a blanket. We got a dump truck. We got a stacker thing that you can put the balls in and then take the balls out. We also got PJs for him. We also got him a dump truck that he can put balls in and dump it too. We also got pop-up pals. So basically you pop it up. Santa Claus got him the cars, onesies, toolbox, and soap and ball and some bath toys, basically. Socks and monster truck. Sorry that I'm looking down, you guys. I'm just making sure we got everything. Then he also got baby animal Theo. Then he also got a remote, that teething remote, and what's that called? Controller. Then he also got markers and coloring pages, and he also got Stuffy. He also got Care Bear. He got some trucks. He got Sloth. He got a puzzle. He got something that goes down the slide for him, and he also got a dinosaur, and he also got Lego. He also got musical instruments. And then he also got bond set and stack up. He also got a buck called Curious George. And that's all for Silent. Oh, there's more. Sorry. And then he also got ambulance and robot and a truck. And then he also got Fogdo, whatever the guys call it, and a puzzle piece of his that says his name. So what I got from what we got for Grace and Santa Claus and everything like that, I'm not going to tell you which ones are Santa because you guys can tell. Also, we got a card carrier thing that she can ride, like mommy and daddy and them stuff. And then we got magnetized for her. We got the balance beam for her. We also got a Barbie doll. We also got some PJs for her. We also got, so basically that she can dice some vegetables and stuff. We also got Super Kitties. We got a sweater for her. We also got, Santa got all this stuff. I'm not going to name all this stuff because there's so many stuff that I could briefly do a really quick and thing. So she got Hunger Caliper. She got some socks, underwear, you name it, all that stuff. Then we also got a water bottle from Santa Claus. And then she also got a Barbie doll from Sarah. And then Richard's parents got her pizza, all the stuff right here, you guys can see it. Letter, the book with pictures and all that. Also, she got a chest. What's that called? Some dress-up clothes. More power control stuff. She also got Wicked, Care Bears. She also got a flower that spins. And she also got Puggle. And she also got Busy Book. Yeah. So on to what we got. What Rachel and me got was bath bombs. Rachel got this stuff. Bath bombs, spray. I got basically same thing, kind of a little bit Pokemon, a little bit different. Socks, and orange, you name it. Then we also got pliers. I got from Bolt Cutters. We both got salt and pepper shaker. And then I got a survivor game. And then we got ornaments. So that's pretty cool, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Sorry it was really quick. I just don't want to spend so much time on things like that, because honestly, it just really hard. So, stay tuned for the next video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.